In this video, we will show you how to replace your vehicle's air restriction valve on this Chevy Silverado. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine compartment. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. On the passenger side of the engine compartment, we're looking for our air filter housing. You can see your mass airflow sensor across the top of the housing here, and we can also see our valve. This job's going to be fairly simple overall. You can go ahead and take hold of the valve, go ahead and give it a little wiggle around in a circle here and pull it out and away. Let's go ahead and clean the hole here. Just a close inspection, make sure it's still soft and pliable. And now we can install our air restriction valve. As you can tell looking along the side, there's several different areas that you would want to have facing into an area that you can see. So I'm just going to have one of them facing straight up. It's easiest that way. We'll give it a wiggle and press it in towards the box. After that, just give it a light tug, trying to pull it out and away. It should not fall out of place. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and start up the vehicle, let it run for a short while, make sure there's no leaks in this area so you don't have any dirty air getting drawn into the engine. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.